Now that your RxWDC is installed, let's pair it with the Rogers Xfinity app. First, download the latest version of the app, which is version 5.2 or later, updated in October 2025. Next, open the Rogers Xfinity app on your phone. Navigate to the menu and select Add Device, then choose Doorbell Camera from the list of available devices. Now, scan the QR code located on the back of your Rogers Xfinity wired doorbell camera using your phone's camera. Alternatively, you can press the Sync button on the camera to initiate pairing. Follow the on-screen prompts in the app to connect your camera to your home Wi-Fi network. For best stability, select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band rather than 5 GHz. Link the camera to your Rogers account to unlock full features. Ignite subscribers get free 7-day rolling cloud storage for all your recordings. Calibrate your camera by adjusting motion detection zones, sensitivity levels, and audio settings directly in the app to suit your home's needs. If you encounter issues during pairing, reset the camera by holding the reset button for 10 seconds. Ensure there's no interference from nearby devices such as microwaves. For additional help, contact Rogers support at 1-888-ROGERS. With pairing complete, you should now be able to view live video from your Rogers Xfinity wired doorbell camera directly on your phone through the app.